Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Volvo S60 light. Before you begin, it is important to identify the correct replacement bulb for your specific model, as types can vary. You will also need a few basic tools, such as a Torx T20 driver and some protective gloves. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is off and the electrical system is in key position 0 for safety before starting any work. Now that you are prepared, the next step is to remove the headlamp assembly itself. First, find the two locking pins located on the top of the headlamp unit and pull them straight up. With the pins removed, gently tilt and pull the entire headlamp assembly forward. Finally, carefully disconnect the electrical harness by pressing the clip with your thumb and guiding the connector out. With the headlamp unit out, you can now access the bulb. On the back of the assembly, you will find a cover secured by 4 T20 Torx screws. Remove these. Gently pull back the cover to reveal the bulb. For an H11 bulb, twist it 1/8 of a turn counterclockwise to release it. When inserting the new bulb, hold it by its base to avoid touching the glass, align the tabs, and twist it clockwise to lock it into place. You are almost done. Begin by reattaching the rear access cover and securing it with the 4 T20 Torx screws. Next, reconnect the electrical harness to the headlamp assembly, ensuring you hear a distinct clicking sound. Carefully slide the entire headlamp unit back into its housing. Finally, reinsert the two locking pins to firmly secure the assembly, and then turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.